Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Based on tundra, like and on.
Let's start. Open Instagram. Tap on plus icon and go to story. Now tap and record for 5 to 10 seconds. Now go to sticker and tap GIF. Now search C. Tap on first GIF and zoom it to full screen. Now go to sticker again and search duck. Tap on first sticker and zoom it according to you. Now save the video. Now go to Reels. Tap on audio. Search Phone Life Goes On. Select the first audio. Now add the video you saved. Now you can post this on your Reels. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.